Intelligent bakery packaging line is mainly composed of cooling line, automatic feeding line, packaging machine, unpacking machine, cartons filling robot, sealing machine, and a palletizing robot. The baked cakes are cooled and transported to the automatic feeding platform. Once the photoelectric detects those cakes, which will be aligned by the blocking mechanism, the lifting-type distribution conveyor controlled by PLC to distribute the cakes to each packing line in an orderly manner. The feeding line belt is easy to remove and clean. The product's package quantity can be easily completed through the touch screen. Through the photoelectric detection and PLC control, the product can automatically steering, ranging, and positioning on the automatic feeding line. Each part of the packaging machine is controlled by independent servo motor, smooth operation, high accuracy, wide back length adjustment range, with memory menu storage function, a variety of product packaging, convenient and quick switching, box motion packaging machine, cantilever frame fuselage design, reciprocating type and sealer jaws, mechanical structure precision. Cartons go through the unpacking machine shaped and bottom sealed. The small bag cake is detected by the visual system. The cartons filling robot uses a special fixture. According to the preset program, put the cakes in the carton in orderly. Partitions, card or instruction book can be placed into the carton. The robot has high positioning accuracy, stable and safe operation, and can realize the product, flat placement, vertical placement, and other packing methods. After filling the carton, can conduct online weighing, sealing, packing, spraying code, flipping, supporting palletizing, wrapping, etc. Palletizing robot can store multiple groups of palletizing type, convenient production switch, flexible redeployment, labor saving, safe and reliable. When palletizing finished, AGV unmanned forklift through the central control system to conduct production line and intelligent warehouse seamless connection, automatic loading, automatic access. Improve quality and efficiency, ensure safety. Ruipuhua help production enterprises to automation, intelligent, digital transformation.